Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun on YouTube, and I also have a Facebook group, Diamond Painting Cajun, on Facebook. I will put those links in the description portion of this video. Today, I am unboxing or unbagging I'm a winner of Amanda, Diamond Painting with Amanda. Her name is Amanda, and she's so sweet, and I love her channel, and I watch her as often as I can. She's an awesome person, and if you have not visited Diamond Painting with Amanda, please do so, because go check out her channel. I'm gonna also put her link in the description portion of this video. She's so cool. She's awesome. I love her, and not just because I won her giveaway, only because I really do like to watch her, as I do many others, of course, but she's really sweet. So I'm gonna unbox her my winnings for you guys. Let me get some scissors. Y'all know I'm never prepared. I'm never prepared. Y'all, excuse me, because let me tell y'all what, before I even undo this, I'm gonna tell y'all something. So, at 4:45 or 4:40 on a Friday, yesterday afternoon, my central unit in this hot, humid Louisiana weather decides it's gonna break. When I tell y'all, it's so annoying. The parts will not be here until Wednesday. So that's what's happening right now. So I had to call my brother, because of course my husband is working. 2 days after he leaves, the AC unit goes out. Super, I love it, yes. So it's so awesome. And so I called my brother and my nephew, and thank goodness they came over and they took our window units out of our shop and came and installed them last night, almost in the dark. Like, it was getting dark. It wasn't quite dark, okay? But like, they took my air conditioner apart to check out all the parts, to see all the parts we needed and everything else. So we ordered those, but like I said, they won't be until Wednesday. So I got window units. Thank God I have air though. Thank God we had window units, because it's Louisiana heat. I'd be going to a hotel or somewhere else, family, friend, something, because it'd be hot. It's hot. And it's not just me, you know, I have my mother-in-law and my nephew here. So, and then I had the kids. So yeah, it wasn't that peachy, needless to say, but the day was saved by my brother and my nephew, and they came and put our air conditioner units in, and it's staying pretty cool, but my electric bill is gonna be sky high because I have a good AC unit, but these window units for this house, my God, my electric bill is gonna be so high. But at least we'll be cool, you know. It is what it is. We're not gonna be freezing. It's not cold, but it's cool. So thank God for that. I'm blessed to have that. I was blessed to have that. Blessed to have my brother, but it's still annoying. It doesn't matter. It's still annoying. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna get to unboxing. So let me show them out. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome to the returning people. So welcome all, welcome everyone, all that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys watching, and y'all leave me comments in the comment section below. As long as they're nice, I'm good with it. I like to answer comments. I like to see what y'all saying, and I hope everybody's family is blessed and well. Now we can open it. Y'all know I like to throw that in there because I really do care about you guys. Y'all, this is reading glasses. And I'm so blind. I just assume keep them on all the time. I'm blind. And I do have glasses. I do have glasses. I don't like them. Okay, Amanda, you did a really great job packaging this thing. Girlfriend. I don't want to mess up nothing. Oh God, if I cut something, I'm gonna have a stroke. Literally, I'm gonna have a stroke if I cut something. Ooh, yeah, because I don't. Okay, thank God. Oh look, it don't matter if y'all, well, y'all can't see it anyway, but oh my gosh. Y'all want to see me struggle? Watch. Struggling, for real. Because I don't want to cut nothing. I'll pick y'all back up so y'all can see me. So y'all can see me struggle. Y'all wait, maybe, oh yeah, there we go. I had my chair like kind of small, kind of high. But, yeah. So, oh my gosh. Come on, Junior, let's open up there. Amanda, you did a great job with this packaging, girlfriend. I'm telling you. And look, the kitty, y'all. It says, I'm really a mermaid. Oh, thank you. Oh, y'all, look. See, I didn't even see that because, you know, my mind's somewhere else right now. But look how cute. That's cute. She must have known. She knows I like cats and mermaids. So there you go. Amanda, you good girl. You go, girl. You just... Okay, I'm sorry that I can't... Yo, this is a lollipop. Oh, look. I have a cover minder like it. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you, Amanda. Because that is the cutest thing ever. I don't even know if I'm going to eat it. Some gel pens. Girl, that's going to come in handy for me. I love gel pens. Gel pens. So, like I said, this is the package from Diamond Painting with Amanda. And I won her giveaway. And these are the package. This is the package she sent me. I just have to show this again. Look how freaking cute. Y'all, I love these. I like these. I color with these. Write with those. I make notes. Oh, Amanda. Look, y'all, look how cute. It says be happy. That's sweet. Oh, no. I gotta put this up. Amanda. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my God. This is me. Just be happy, y'all. Happy. It's okay. Yes, Amanda. And they got some things in here. Vaseline. Lip that. Oh, I use this. How did you even know that? Because I do use this to go to the beach. When we go to the beach. And in the winter, because my lips are so dry. And the sun gives me fever blisters, so I try to keep stuff on my lips so that don't happen. That is cool. Thank you, Amanda. Dude, like you must... Yo, oh no way. Oh, look this pen. Oh my God, and she knows I like purple and pink. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Amanda, you are the... Oh, I can't say it. You are so cool. Oh my God, look. And it's a pen. It's a writing pen, y'all. It's a writing pen. And I love it. And I'm going to use that in a while. So, look. I got to show y'all again. Look how freaking cute. This is... I love... Because I like to write stuff. Like, I like to make notes and everything. Especially when I get, like, PR packages and stuff. Like, these things come in handy for me. That's why I have a lot of pens. I like pens, ink pens, because I write a lot of stuff. I like to write. Plus, I do budgeting stuff, so I'm constantly writing in my budget books. So if y'all didn't know that about me, yeah, I do budgeting. I have cash funds and stuff, so cash thinking funds and all that good stuff. No, y'all, it's a sticker book. It's 250 stickers. y'all know what would happen if I stick all these stickers all over? Because y'all know I like stickers. Y'all gonna see some of these stickers are gonna be around my computer, on this desk, have that desk, and my little thing right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have them all over the place. Amanda, they're so cute. Y'all, look how cute. Look at these things I'm showing y'all. Look how freaking cute. They summery and all that good stuff. That's cute. So I'm guessing, oh no, they're not exactly. Look. Oh, y'all, look how stinking cute. Look, I'm showing y'all some of these. Look how cute. Amanda, these are so cute. Be nice to everyone. Good times. Chilling kind of day. I believe in me. Y'all, they just have, oh, look the kitty. Y'all, look the diamonds too. Look the diamond. Oh, look the rainbow. Oh my goodness. Look, these are so cute. They're all cute. Oh my God. Y'all, look the unicorns. So cute. So cute, so cute, so cute, cute. Look at these. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love them. Amanda, these are so stinking cute. And I think it's just a repeat. They're so cute. Oh, look the gnome. Look, oh, look how cute. Y'all see those? They're stinking cute. I hope y'all could see them. Look how cute they are. That's cute. Y'all, these are so cute. Amanda, I love them. They're cute. They're so cute. I love them. I'm gonna stick them things everywhere. And a notepad to go with my note. My pen. Look, y'all. And I just got to saying, I like to write notes. I write notes about everything because since my accident and stuff, I don't remember a lot of stuff, especially with my severe anxiety. And it's like all mixed together. It's like, yeah, I jump from one thing to the next in a second. If I don't forget to tell y'all, I'll have to hurry up and tell y'all because I'll forget. But you know, it's not my fault. It happens when you get lack of oxygen to your brain. This is cute, Amanda. I love it because this, look, y'all, this is the inside. Because me, I like to write notes. Y'all, and another sticker. Okay, so I love these, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. I have a budget planner. Okay, so these, all those stickers that y'all see, for me, it's good for a lot of things because I use these stickers to put in my planners. So, in case y'all didn't know that about me, now you do. Now you know. So, these are really cute, Amanda. Oh my God, because I like these, you know. Oh my gosh. I use planner stickers in case you didn't know that. Now y'all know. I'm going to say it one more time. Look at these. How cute. These are so stinking cute. I love them. They're all cute. I love them all. See, I use these. I use all these. Yeah, that's cute. Love it. Love it, Amanda. Amanda. I love it. Love them. So cute. I have like a whole tote full of stickers, planner stuff. I used to do that all the time. I don't do it as much anymore, but I do it on a daily basis because I have a budget book and I use that for my budget planner calendar. So all of these things are amazing. I really love them, Amanda. Thank you so much for sending me these cute little gifts. I love them. Okay, I can't zip it. I'm gonna have to cut this. But These are this is cute. I'm gonna put my little pins and stuff in there. Really cute items. I love these. I love all of it. Just love it all. Okay, I just love it all. Love, love, love it. Everything for me is gonna come in handy, and I really love it. So thank you with diamond painting with Amanda. Thank you to her. That was some nice gifts that I won. I really like it. I'm happy with anything. I'm really not picky, but these are really nice. And these are really going to come in handy for me. I really appreciate it. And if you have not checked out Diamond Painting with Amanda's channel, please go down below in my description portion, because I will link her down below, and go check her out, subscribe, and do all those nice things. She's really sweet. You're going to like her videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.